Click&DECiDE Business Intelligence Solution, Roambi Data Source Integration. In this presentation we will see how Click&DECiDE Business Intelligence can be integrated with Roambi. We launch Click&DECiDE Builder to create a new project, that we will save in the demonstration folder. It will be placed in the shared folder for providing web access to the data. We name it Roambi. Precising type of the project is Business Intelligence. We click on New Query in the Query tab. Different secured data sources appear on the screen. Drag and drop function allows to select the necessary tables on sales, salesmen and customers. The joins are created automatically. We define the fields that we are going to work with. Date and information about customer, addresses, website, phone number, email. In case of need, you can modify the titles of the fields. Execute the query. The records appear on the working sheet. Clicking on the criteria box of the date, we set an automatic parameter to display the list of values. If we run the query, it is possible to select the period of time by typing the date. In this example, the filter we have set displays only data for 2011. Then, using existing query, we can create a cube. First, we save the query. And arrange measures and dimensions in a convenient way, combining the fields. When the data about the customer and the seller is grouped, we can create a cube by moving the fields in the working space. Totals, area, customers and date. The presented information is condensed and can be expanded. Mouse right-click for displaying detailed property information. We save the cube. And export it to Excel format for Roambi. Placing in Roambi folder and giving a name Roambi demonstration. When validating, XLS file is created. This format, compatible with Roambi, will allow us to visualize the data in different types of graph. To see the exported file, we will open the directory in which it was saved. If we move to Roambi folder and open the file we have just created, you can see the organization of Excel document with position of columns suitable for export to Roambi. After that, we start Google Docs application and import the Excel file. The conversion to Google Docs format is made automatically. Continuing to work in Google, we create collection, which we name Roambi. Then, we drag and drop file to the collection. We connect a Roambi account. Entering the email and password. Few interfaces are presented. We select the Cardex view. Using Google Profile, we access the Roambi file stored in Google Docs. The application imports the file from Roambi demonstration and proposes to modify the data. We skip this step, as far as the data has already been prepared in a suitable format. It is possible to change the view according to your needs. We add the bar type graph and confirm it. Before publishing the data, we open the options and switch to manual update. Each time the data is updated in Google Docs, the client will receive the real-time data. Here, besides graphical presentation of data, the client will be able to consult the details, as website, email address, phone number of a seller, and even contact him directly. When the data is ready, we can publish it and synchronize automatically with mobile devices. In this way, the data fed by Click&DECiDE Business Intelligence application can be visualized via Roambi pre-installed on your iPad. We click on the Roambi demonstration file uploaded on the iPad, and open it. The data is presented in Catalog view. Defining the names of the sellers, we can consult the details in the right pane. Double-click on the right pane, the enlarged graphs appear on the screen. Moving the interactive bar, we select the data for the month of February. Then, we will proceed to set the output automation. For that, we will open Click&DECiDE web portal to create a scheduled task. It will allow to update the tables stored in Google Docs in real time. We open the Roambi project to find the created cube. At the top of the page you can select different visualization formats. Running it in HTML format, the data cube will be presented on the screen. By manipulating it you can present the data in an appropriate way. Also, you can export your data in Excel Power Pivot and Excel Roambi. To continue our demonstration, we will create a task. First, we define the destination directory and name it Roambi demonstration. Then, create an alert. In the options we define data transfer to Google Docs. To export the data, it will be necessary to enter your email address and password. Precising destination with the name of collection. The next will be to create a scheduled task. We select the task from the list. Defining the frequency of a task execution. It can be weekly, monthly or other frequency you choose. For this demo we will select one time. We move to the Tasks menu to execute newly created task. Opening Google Docs application, we see that the time when the file was modified corresponds to the time of file export from web portal. We return to iPad and click on Update button. Confirming it, we can see that the data is changed in the right graph. Click&DECiDE Business Application Intelligence allows to export the data from any database and any existing ERP platform. Thank you for your attention. For more information visit our website.